What's up? Thank you for tuning in once again to another video here on the channel. Today I have the Amazon Echo Dot here, and we are going to be doing a little unboxing on it. We wanted to pick one of these up for a while, so I'm very happy to have it. We'll just pop it open, we'll see what's inside, and we'll kind of go from there. Alright, first and foremost, we get that box open. As you can see, there's that beautiful Echo Dot device. We'll go ahead and get that pulled out there. So first and foremost, you see we have the device. Comes right there. We'll set that off to the side. There is a little user manual that comes with it. Echo Dot just has some things in there on how to connect it, so that's awesome. Also a little card, just with some different commands and things on there, so you can kind of see that. So different things to say, Alexa, enjoy your favorite music, things of that sort. So that is awesome. Nice little card in there for that. And then you pop it open, and last but not least, you have your power cord. So pretty easy peasy. You have your power cord. You have the beautiful Echo Dot device here, as you can see, and it just comes with a couple cards. Alright.